Now, to the time that everyone has been waiting on. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I would say fun.
Awesome.
Easy.
Amazing.
Encouraging.
Inspiring.
My biggest inspiration during this time would have been my family and my RTT program director.
I would say my director, Miss Burns, and the professors for the RTT program.
My mom.
My parents. My family.
I would say my kids.
My family.
Definitely my teachers.
Myself.
My plans for the future would be just to definitely finish school, go to PT school or athletic training at TSU.
I hope to advance in my career in the medical field one day.
Nursing.
Be a NICU nurse.
Get hired.
Keep studying and working hard.
Continue school.
Continue my education.
So my advice to future students is if this is something you're truly passionate about, go all in, go 100%. It'll be truly worth it at the end.
Never give up.
Breathe. Form relationships.
I would say definitely find you a buddy and lean on your peers for study and encouragement. To keep pushing through, to not give up.
To use index cards.